Hello everyone, welcome back to Green Bay Classics YouTube. Jordan here. Today we are going to tackle getting the Camaro started. I want to hear the engine really for the first time, get to experience it, and see some of all that money in action from this winter. So thank you so much for tuning in with me. Please remember to hit that subscribe and like button, the bell notification lets you know when I post. This is the new starter here. Bolts, spacers, and really good reviews online. Okay, I have the starter here. I have one bolt, the other bolt is in my pocket. So we'll see how the install goes. There are the two wires. I'll hook up to right there and right there. Yeah, thanks for taking along. So I just installed the new starter. The wires are hooked up. I'm going to connect the battery, then I'll probably put the phone down and see if it'll start. Also, so when I put the starter in this time, it came with two shims. I left the shims out just to see what it will do, what kind of noise it'll make with this, and then if need be I can go in and add a shim or two if something doesn't sound right. So that's my mindset behind that. gonna do it for today's video. Thank you very much for hanging around with me. Did get the Camaro started. She is started, but there's a popping. I can't tell exactly where it's coming from, and it's for startup, so I'm not gonna hurt it at all. So I'm already messaging with Larry, and just sucks to get it back after how many months and pay so much money, and then for startup something like this happens. So just the way it goes, I guess. Thank you very much. Hit that subscribe, like, share with all your friends, bell notification, let you know when I post.